Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Roblox on laptop and PC, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to download and install Roblox on laptop and PC. First, just click in the start icon and then in the search bar just type Microsoft and then go Microsoft Store. And then in the top search bar just type Roblox. And then here get, just click on it and just wait for a few minutes to download it. Okay, now it's done. After that, click play. And now just you can create account or you can sign in. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to download and install Roblox on laptop and PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.